up guys, Ryan here. Today I'm going to show you my secret to getting more Etsy reviews. And I'm going to go ahead and call it my secret because I didn't learn this from anybody else. It's something that I really picked up on my own. And it requires using the Printful and Etsy integration specifically because it is going to have to do with Printful shipping. Now, having reviews on your e-commerce store is extremely important, whether it's on Etsy, eBay, Amazon, or any other platform. It builds customer trust, simply put. Customers are way more likely to buy from you if you have more reviews. That's why you should pay attention to what I'm about to show you, because it has definitely worked for me. I have over 100 reviews on my Etsy shop, and my review rate is quite high. So let's get started. All right, so head on over to Printful and then click Orders on the main navigation. You should see a list of your most recent orders from all of your Printful integrated shops. So as you can see here, I have blacked out all the sensitive information as I do this walkthrough because I don't want to get in trouble for sharing anybody's information. But I'm going to go ahead and click the most recent Etsy order that I have, which is right here. And then what I'm going to do is hit Change Order. So you click that, and then you're on the initial order changing screen, I guess, if you want to change the quantity or the retail price. So all I'm going to do is click Continue to Shipping because this is where we are going to increase the odds of getting that positive review. So on this shipping step, you're going to have to go down and click Calculate Shipping. And right here where you see shipping method, I'm going to zoom in a bit. But as you can see on this order, the cheapest shipping is standard 3 to 5 days for $3.17. Now, quite often, I'd estimate maybe 40% of the time, honestly that high, DHL Express right here is the cheapest option. It's not rare that that's the case. Or in some cases, DHL Express, this means 1 to 3 days shipping time, is only 5, 10, 20 cents additional. Now, if your customer reached out to you and you have an Etsy conversation history with the customer, I would say 100%, if it's within reasonable cost, upgrade their shipping to Express. You can decide how much it's worth to you, but if a customer's already started a dialogue with you, the likelihood of them giving you a review, in my experience, is extremely high, as long as the experience is positive for them. So definitely in that case, because Etsy customers are very friendly, they seem to not hesitate to start conversations with sellers. Don't hesitate to bump their shipping up to Express and then let them know. Don't just bump it up to Express, but you don't want them to take it for granted. Send them a message and say, hey, by the way, I wanted to thank you for your order, and I upgraded your shipping to Express 1 to 3 days, so you'll have your order as soon as possible. Just like that, you've drastically increased the odds of getting that positive review. And also, even if you don't need to manually update it, like in this example, it was standard by default, but I have the option of manually updating it. If you don't have to do that because Express was the cheapest option, let the customer know. They don't know it was the cheapest option, so still tell them, hey, I went in and upgraded your shipping to Express so that you can have your product faster. And just let them know. I mean, even if there's no dialogue too, you can go ahead and reach out to a customer. It's not, there's nothing wrong with that. On Amazon, you can set up automated email communications with your customers, asking them for reviews and thanking them for their orders. Not asking them for reviews, sorry. Asking them for, honest reviews is allowed. You can't ask them for a positive review. Either way, in Etsy, don't ask for a review. Just leave a little smiley face and tell them you upgraded their shipping at no cost to them. Here's the last step that you cannot forget on Printful because it is so easy to forget. You click Continue to Review, and then you're on the final step of the screen. Right here, you need to go down to Update Order and click this. If you forget to click Update Order, the change won't save. And it is very easy to be misled based on the Printful UI, which, I'm a web developer from 9 to 5. I love the Printful user interface. But this one is a little bit misleading because of this extra step. Because it honestly feels like if you go back here, it feels like once you click this, that you're locking that in, but it's not the case. You still have to go over here and hit Update Order. That's it, guys. I hope you appreciated this video. Honestly, if it works, leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any other tips for me about how to increase Etsy reviews. Please share. I would love to hear them. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one.
Wherever she goes, I go, we roll, we go, flying over cities down to Rio, it's Rio, love that I feel, oh nothing lasts forever, but I'm down for the minute, so just chill.